Hello friends, welcome to GMG accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss about income and expenditure account. Illustration 6, page number 50. Very important sum for income and expenditure for 3 mark sums. From the following receipts and payment account of OT Recreation Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now, see the question. Receipts and payment. Receipts and payment is given in the question. You have to prepare income and expenditure account. Now you have to take a ledger, double page, write the heading in the books of OT Recreation Club in the blue line. In the center of your double page, this is a double page sum. Then next line in the red line, write it from the particulars column to the next page. Continue income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018, which is given in the question. Left hand side debit, right hand side credit. Expenditure, income. Then see here, opening balance and closing balance is given in the question. Always remember, whenever we are preparing income expenditure account, no need to write opening balance and closing balance. Always you have to write straight away answers. No need to write opening balance and closing balance in income and expenditure account. This will come only in receipts and payment, not in income and expenditure. Next, rent received. All the receipt item will come in the income side and all the payment item will come in the expenditure side. Once again I repeat, all the receipts items will come in the income side and all the payment items you have to write in the expenditure side. Now opening balance will not come and assets item will not come into the income and expenditure account. Only current year income and expenditure we have to write in income and expenditure account. Now see here, rent received. You have to write by rent received rupees 10,000. Then sale of investment. Investment is an assets, so no need to write in income and expenditure account. Subscription received. Subscription received is an income, so write by subscription received in the income side. Now this side is over, receipt side is over. Now come to the payment side. Sports material purchased. When you purchase sports material, it is an expense, so you have to write in the expenditure rupees 10,000. Return in your ledger. Next item, stationery paid. Stationery paid you have to write in the debit side, in the expenditure side. To expenditure paid. Next one, computer purchase. Always remember, computer is an asset, so no need to write in the expenditure side. Next one, salary. Salary is an expense, so you have to write in the expenditure side. Closing cash balance will not come here. Now see the answer. Receipt side 10,000 plus 54,000, 64,000. Then here if you add it, 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 20. So you have to add all this, so you will get 37,000. 64,000 minus 37,000, you will get 27,000 balance. This 27,000 is known as surplus. Surplus means profit. Understand? 64,000 minus all this three amount, you will get 27,000. That is known as surplus. You have to write in bracket excess of income over expenditure. Understand? Now see the next illustration. Illustration 7. From the following receipts and payment account of Tirchi Recreation Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Receipts, payment, opening balance, closing balance, no need to write, as I already told in the previous video. Already I explained the format in the previous video itself, that what we have to write in income expenditure and what we should not write in income expenditure account. Now here income expenditure account, this opening balance and closing balance, no need to write. Dividend received, when we write the dividend received, so dividend received always we have to write where? In the income side. Now see the dividend received, the first item we have to write in the credit side. Next one, sale of old newspaper, it will also come in the income side. Member subscription, locker rent, interest on investment, all this item from dividend received to interest on investment, all this item we have to write in the income side because it is a revenue income. Sale of furniture, book value 4,400, we sold at rupees 5,000. So how much is the profit? 600. 4,400 value of goods, we sold at rupees 5,000, so 600 rupees profit. 4,400 रुपये का सामान 5,000 में बेच दिया, तो 600 रुपया बचत, income, profit. So you have to write only 600 rupees in income. See here in the income side you have to write only 600. See, profit on sale of furniture 600 rupees. Now we come to the payment side. Furniture purchased, furniture purchase will come in the expenditure? No, you should not write because it is a furniture. Furniture is an asset or balance sheet item, we should not write in the income and expenditure account. Rent, secretary honorarium means secretary salary, postage, general expenses, printing and stationery, audit fees. From rent to audit fees, all the items you have to write in the expenditure side. Now see here, everything we return: rent, secretary honorarium, postage, general expenses, printing stationery, audit fees. We write all the amounts. See here, see the last one, closing balance, cash in hand. So we must not write, already I told you. Now see the answer, total. Now expenditure is more than an income. Expenditure total is more than the income total. So expenditure total is 73,850. Leave two lines here. Put the total line in the same line, 73,850. 73,850 minus all this amount, you will get 2,400. That is known as deficit. Deficit means loss because expenses are more than the income. So excess of expenditure over income. Now you understand how to prepare income expenditure account. Receipt side will come in the income, payment side will come in the expenditure. Understand? Thank you for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to G&G accountancy classes. Class 12 income and expenditure account, how to prepare the subscription account, how to do the subscription sum. So this is the format for subscription. By subscription, less subscription for the previous year, less subscription for the subsequent means next year. Add outstanding subscription for the current year, means current year outstanding you have to add it, and add received in advance during the previous year. So last year received advance during the previous year for the current year will be added. So received in advance. Next, you have to see the balance sheet. In balance sheet you have to write subscription received in advance for the subsequent year in the liability side, asset side, current year and previous year both outstanding subscription we have to write in the asset side. As per the sum we have to prepare. In the sum if they ask balance sheet you have to prepare balance sheet, otherwise income and expenditure is enough. Now see the illustration 8. From the following details, calculate the amount that will be shown as subscription in income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2017. Subscription for 15-16 7,500 and 16-17 60,000. 17-18 1,500. This question is very important for 3 marks. They are asking in 3 marks or sometimes they will ask in 2 marks. Because in this sum you have to prepare only income and expenditure. Subscription outstanding for the 16-17 is 2,400 and subscription for 16-17 received is in 15-16 is 1,000. So now you understand. In income and expenditure account always we have to take the current year. Now we are preparing for 2017. So year 2017, how much is the subscription? 60,000. So we have to write by subscription inner column 60. Now see here, by subscription column 60,000. Add outstanding subscription for 16-17 2,400. This is 2,400 for 16 and 17. This is outstanding. So subscription outstanding for 16-17 2,400 current year outstanding. And this is 16-17 received in advance in 15-16 was 1,000 rupees. So this 1,000 rupees will be added, because last year ending advance will be for the current year only, so it will be plus. So we have to add all this. You will get 63,000. How much? 63,400. Understand? Now why? What is the note here? A subscription for the year 15-16 7,500 and for the year 17-18 1,500 do not relate to the current year. That's why no need to write in income expenditure account. Same way, subscription outstanding for the current year 16-17 is 2,400. It should be added with the amount of subscription received during the 16-17. Now see the illustration 9. In illustration 9, page number 54, from the following items will appear in the final account of a club for the year ending 31st March 2019. Now see here, in this sum they given the question receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 19 is this amount. So we are preparing for the March 2019. So 2019 value is 48,000. So first we have to write in an income column by subscription 48,000. Then we have to see how much is that. So there are 300 members in a club. In this club, how many members are there? 300 members in a club. Each paying and an annual subscription of rupees 200 per annum. So 300 into 200 is how much? 3 2s are 6. So 60,000 rupees is your total subscription. But you received how much? 48,000. So how much is outstanding for the year? 12,000 rupees is outstanding. Now you have to prepare the balance sheet. While preparing the balance sheet, this 12,000 will come straight in the asset side. Now see here, this 12,000, 2018, 19, 12,000 has came. Now see the answer. This is subscription still outstanding for the year 17, 18 is rupees 1,000. This is the previous year subscription. This will outstanding. This will come in the asset side. So 1,000 rupees will come in the asset side. 1,000 plus 12,000, 13,000. Now what about this advance? Where this 3,000 rupees has came? See the question. This 3,000 we have to write in the liability side as a subscription received in advance. Understand? First we have to write this 48,000 by subscription, then 300 into 200, 60,000 rupees in the outer column. 60,000 minus 48,000, you will get 12,000 outstanding for the current year. Then this 5,000 rupees we have to write where? In the this 5,000 rupees we no need to write because already in the adjustment it is given 1,000 rupees, 17, 18, 1,000, and this 3,000 we have to write in the liability side as a advance in the balance sheet here. So over. Now see the illustration 10. The illustration 10. How will the following items appear in the final account of a club for the year ending 31st March 2017? A club received subscription of rupees 25,000 during the year 16-17. This includes subscription of rupees 2,000 for 15-16 and 1,500 for the year 17-18. Subscription of rupees 500 is still outstanding for the year 2016-17. Now see the answer. First we have to write subscription. We have to write subscription 25,000. Second line of your question, 25,000 we have to write in the inner column. This includes subscription 2,000 rupees for 15 and 16. So we have to what? Less it because it is a previous year subscription. 2,000 rupees less, you will get 23,000. See here, this is a 2015-16, but we are preparing for 16-17, March 17. Next 1,500 for the year 17-18 subscription. So 1,500. What way to do 1,500? We have to less because this is for next year. Next year. Only current year outstanding only we have to add. Now subscription of 500 is still outstanding for 16-17. So means current year outstanding. So this is the current year outstanding and this current year outstanding. What we have to do? We have to add it and we have to write in the order column. Understand? So this both subscription will be less because this is the previous year and this is for next year. Only current year outstanding we have to add. Then 1,500. This is the outstanding for the current year. We write in the liability side and the advance for the next year we have to write in the asset side. Understand? Very good. Now illustration 11, which is very easy and very important. In the illustration 11, if you see, compute income for subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to club. Simply you can remember outstanding expense, outstanding subscription, minus plus, plus minus. You can remember it, minus plus, plus minus. The simple logic behind this, outstanding for the current year ending will be the outstanding for next year starting. So outstanding for the beginning will be less, closing will be add. Same way advance, opening will be minus and closing will be plus. So what is that? 10,000 rupees minus plus. Simply we have to remember minus plus, then 3,000 rupees plus minus, because whoever giving advance in the beginning, that is for the current year, so we have to add it. But at the end, if they given the advance, so that advance will be for the next year, not for the current year. Understand? So what we have to write? Subscription we have to write in the order column 1,50,000. Then same way minus 10,000. So this is minus plus plus minus. So only this 7,000 and 3,000 plus. So first we have to write the plus. Add subscription received, that is 3,000 rupees subscription advance, or straight away we can write outstanding subscription. First 10,000 we have to write in minus, then 7,000 we have to write in the add column, then this 3,000 rupees write in the add column, and this 5,000 rupees we have to write in the minus column. So now you will get the answer 1,45,000. Add both this 1,60,000 minus 15,000, 1,45,000.